Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims to success made in India. Today, I came with a new trick and a new video. Today, I wanted to discuss with you mathematical induction. This type of question will also helpful in Andhra Pradesh, CBSE, ICSE, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, like all state board exams in India. So, I wanted to explain with you 100% concept and 100% step by step with neat explanation. So, my dear students, keep listen. So, now I wanted to go to question by using mathematical induction. Know that 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 plus and so on plus up to n terms is equal to n by 3n plus 1 for all n belongs to n. This is a given question. Now I wanted to explain you aims there to success solution with step by step. So first of all we can check it in the term. We are not having in the term, that's why I wanted to find it in the term. Numerator all values are having 1 only. So you can take numerator is 1 in the term. Now I am going to denominator first term. Denominator first terms. What are the first terms? 1, 4, 7 and so on. They are in AP. Next term we wanted to take a nth term for this question. Here a is equals to 1. Next d is equal to second term minus first term. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. A value 1, d value 3. Next nth term. dn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A value 1 plus n minus 1 into d value 3. So this can be written as 1 plus 3 multiply inside 3 into n, 3n minus 3 1 is 3. So 3n as it is 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 3. Small number minus big number is equal to symbol 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Next denominator second terms. What are the denominator second terms? 4, 7, 10 and so on are in AP. Here first term a is equals to 4, d is equals to second term minus first term, 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. Next we wanted to find nth term. So Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, AP nth term formula. A value 4 plus n minus 1 into d value 3. This can be written as 4 plus 3 multiply inside 3 into n is 3, n minus 3 1 is 3. So this can be written as 3 and same. 4 minus 3 is 1. So nth term is 1. So total nth term for this question is numerator value as it is 1. First term nth term is 3n minus 2. In the second term nth term is 3n plus 1. So this value you can substitute in given question. So that is given question is 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 plus and so on. Nth term is 1 by 3n minus 2 into 3n plus 1 is equals to RHS is n by 3n plus 1. So after getting nth term you have to take it as complete. This statement you can write it as s of n. Complete this statement you can write it as s of n. After writing this, start our procedure. If n is equals to 1, then s of 1. Take LHS. LHS nth term is 1 by 3n minus 2 into 3n plus 1. Here you can substitute n is 1 now. We get 3 into 1 minus 2 into 3 into 1 plus 1. So normal simplification is equals to 1 by 3 1s are 3 minus 2 into 3 1s are 3 plus 1 equal to 1 by 3 minus 2 is 1 into 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 by 4 1s are 4. We got LHS value 1 by 4. Now you can continue RHS. What is RHS value? n by 3n plus 1. Here also you can substitute n is equals to 1. We get 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 is 4. So LHS value 1 by 4, RHS value 1 by 4. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore S of 1 is true. Completed first step. Now I wanted to go to second step. Second step means suppose that S of k is true for some k belongs to n. Suppose that S of k is true for some k belongs to n. That is S of k means after getting in the term we have taken complete statement S of n. So in that statement you can substitute n is equal to k. That is 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 plus and so on plus 1 by n is equal to k. You can write that is 3k minus 2 into 3k plus 1 is equal to k by 3k plus 1. After completing this step you can take an important start step. Adding k plus 1 to term on both sides in S of k. Adding k plus 1 to term in S of k on both sides. How to get nth term? I will tell you my logic. Take nth term. Substitute n is equal to k plus 1 and little bit simplify. Take nth term, substitute n is equal to k plus 1 and simplify. Nth term is 1 by 3n minus 2 into 3n plus 1. Here we wanted to substitute n is equal to k plus 1, that is 3 into k plus 1 minus 2 into 3 into k plus 1 plus 1. Normal simplification 1 by 3 into k, 3k plus 3 1s are 3 minus 2 into 3 into k, 3k plus 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 3k, 3 minus 2 is plus 1 into 3k, 3 plus 1 is 4. This value you can add on both sides in S of k. We get S of k value is 1 by 4 into 7 plus, 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 plus and so on plus 1 by 3k minus 2 into 3k plus 1 plus added value is 1 by 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 4. In LHS we have added, and coming to RHS. RHS value is k by 3k plus 1 plus adding value is 1 by 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 4. After adding k plus 1 to the term in LHS, you don't want to measure LHS value, only you can simplify RHS value. Now I wanted to simplify RHS. You can check it. 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 4 is LCM. Here 3k plus 1. So you can remove this 3k plus 1 and the remaining 3k plus 4 and the numerator k you can multiply. We get the k into 3k plus 4. Next 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 4 is matching. Numerator value is 1. Next k multiply inside. You get 3k into k, 3k square plus k into 4, 4k plus 1 divided by 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 4. It is a quadratic equation in terms of k. So now we have to find the factorize. First number into last number. 3k square into 1 is 3k square. Now you can write like this. And the middle value is 4k. Take any two values. If you multiply, you should get 4k. Same two values. If you multiply, you should get 3k square. I mean 2k and 1k. Sorry. It is wrong. Next, you can take 3k into 1k. 3k plus 1k is 4k. 3k into 1k is 3k square. At a time, two values are satisfying. Next, you can write here 3k square plus 3k plus 1k plus 1 divided by 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 4. So, numerator 3k square and 3k is common. Remaining value k plus 1. After that, only one common. Remaining value k plus 1 divided by 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 4. Next, normal simplification. K plus 1 is common. Remaining value 3k plus 1 divided by 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 4. 3k plus 1 get cancelled. Remaining value is k plus 1 by 3k plus 4. This 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. So, remaining value k plus 1 by 3k plus 3 plus 1 is equals to k plus 1 by 3k and 3 is 3 common. Remaining value k plus 1 plus 1. Actually, why I am writing this one being so, you can verify. That is RHS value is n by 3n minus 1. So n by 3n minus 1, 3n plus 1, sorry, 3n plus 1, you can check it. N is equal to k plus 1 is satisfying. Therefore, S of k plus 1 is true. Why? Because in RHS, as it is, n is equal to k plus 1 is satisfying. Therefore, by the mathematical induction, the given statement S of n is true. My dear students and friends, if you are satisfied with my explanation, you can subscribe my channel. You can see like this type of explanation, questions, topic wise, subject wise. So many questions playlists are there. It is in description box. This description box is in below of this video. You can check it. And so many shortcut playlists are also there. You can save your 100% time. I wish you all the very best. Take care. Bye bye. To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. Joy of sharing is caring and helping.